Sneaker World Internets, this is a drip injector with a flavor selective and always with that something South Carolina perspective. Now, we haven't really done an unboxing in a full form video. Normally it's a YouTube short. So let's unbox this sneaker and check it out together. As y'all can see, we do have a purple box release in a size 9.5, my size. Let's take a look at this pair. Well, we taking a look at this SB Dunk that I want to say they're calling the watermelon, but it's truly that all-star San Antonio Spurs colorway from back in the day. So when I seen that color pop on that lace, I knew I had to have these, and that is also on the swoosh. This is a must-have for me, y'all. Like, when I seen them, I absolutely had to have them. Now, if I did have to point out one thing that would have made this shoe a 10 out of 10, highly recommend, is that outsole. If we would have made this a gum bottom, y'all, this would have been in my top 5 for the year, but it's definitely in my top 10. So much so that I doubled up on them. This was an easy decision to double up on. Honestly, this colorway is beautiful, and it kind of reminds me of something we would have seen back in 07 that would have sat on shelves, but it gives me that ACG vibe. It gives me that old gold Nike SB Dunk vibe, and it's just got that color of pop that I love. You can wear this all year round, but it's definitely like that hot pink Miami summer colorway. So yeah, I'm glad I secured 2 pairs. Let me know, what do y'all think about this SB Dunk, and where do you rank this for Nike SBs in the year? Now, we already know the Blue Tile SB Dunk is #1. It's undisputed worldwide. Can't deny it. It's not even up for debate. But this, I want to say this is top 10 right here for sure. You know what I'm saying? I can't stunt on this colorway, and it don't even really got no storyline. It's just one of them ones. And also, a lot of y'all know that I'm a Supreme head. You see the Supreme Spider-Man Vance and bandana. So I already knew when I saw this and that little BY Hate Supreme shirt, I want to say the images of this leaked out first. So when I seen this tee, I knew I had to have it. And this is how I'm going to put it together right here. We going Supreme, Nike SB, and we going to make it complete. You understand me? But get in the comments. Make sure you like, comment, subscribe. Let me know, what do y'all think about this SB Dunk? Did y'all cop it? Is this something y'all rocking for the year, or you going to put it on ice? Let me know, y'all. So until the next episode, peace.